There's a story behind every single dish. Today I'm gonna show you what's the story behind biryani. Spice it up with Hina. Enjoy the biryani.
Biryani is not just food, it's history on a plate. Long ago, in Persia, rice and meat were cooked together to feed armies on the move. When the Mughal came to India, they brought this humble dish with them. But here we go. Something magical happened. Indian spice joined the pot. Saffron, cardamom, cloves, and suddenly biryani became the royal feast. Over the century, every region gave its own identity. The Hyderabad, they cook like a dum biryani, so rich and smoky. In Lucknow, the rice is layered like a poetry, delicate and fragrant. Kolkata said, wait, let's add potatoes. And South said, no, let's add coconut and curry leaf. That gave a whole new accent. Today, biryani is loved in every corner of the world, in our happy time and sad time. And yes, every city, every country swear their biryani is the best. But the truth is, biryani is a story with many chapters. And whichever version you taste, one bite and you will never forget it. Spice it up with Hina.
The texture of the rice and mixed up with the chicken meat is just phenomenal. Wow, Hina.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to taste Spice It Up with Hina's biryani. Heard a lot about biryani. What is biryani? We're about to find out. Very delicious.